What up YouTube and Rock Custom family. Today I'll be gathering all the materials that is needed for this video, which is Angela's flat white, and I'll be using Angela's blue. I'm going to mix these colors together to get the desired color that I'm looking for, and I'm going to be spraying at least 2 to 3 coats until I get to the desired color and fade that I'm looking for. So it's best to heat set between each coat, that way you can really knock down on the full duration of drying time instead of you waiting a full 15 minutes. Today we'll be using this Louis Vuitton leather fabric that we're going to put on the shoes. It's best for you to peel off the tape carefully, that way you don't rip up anything that you have already placed down and you created your lines for. Now that you got all of your outline stencils cut out, place them close together because you don't want to use all of your leather fabric, because this can get expensive very fast. After you cut them out, I want you to cut along the lines a little closely. Leave 1 inch room, that way you can use this later on for when you want to place this on your shoe. Before you officially cut your fabric so you can place it on the shoe, I want you to test fit it, check and see how it comes out. That way, if you need to cut some more, you can, as you can see here. Yes, we're gonna use Angela's clear shoe cement. That is the only product I use. No, I'm not sponsored by them, but you can tag them and let them know that I'm looking to be sponsored. Anyway, we're gonna be using the paintbrush. It's brand new. I'm probably gonna throw it away because after the first use of using any type of glue, it's gonna be sticky and you can't really do anything with it. As this will be the first time you putting glue on the side panel of your shoes, make sure you can get the glue everywhere, so use a good amount. It is sticky, so be careful, and since you did not tape, or if you do tape, you don't really have to worry about getting the glue in some places. You want to make sure you get it around the edges because those are going to be your most vulnerable areas of where you want to place your fabric stencil at. With you just finishing your last step, I find it best for you to heat set the side of the shoe. That way the fabric and the panel can adhere and bond together, and you can move on from there. So just like the previous, if you haven't repeated the last step for you to be able to complete this custom, you can go back and you can watch this a little bit. But now for the fun part, you can remove all the tape to see what your custom looks like. Let go. So we have this right here. We just finished this pair. We did detail work as well, so you'll be able to see this. Let me know what you think. Let's go.